Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the building of the Southern Coastal Highway. That's the highway that's going to go from Harborview in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. And this is the actual highway we're driving on that's under construction. So we're in St. Andrew still, and this section of the highway, the existing roadway is going to be upgraded to 4 lanes. So that's what the work that's being done now is, the widening of the road basically, and upgrading of all 4 lanes, because the 2 lanes that were there before were nothing that could be used, much less for a highway. So it's literally 4 lanes that they are fixing. So this highway now is going to run from Harborview to Port Antonio, 132 kilometers a road. So from Kingston to Yalos, it's going to be 4 lanes, dual carriageway, and then from Yalos to Port Antonio, some sections will be 4 lanes, some sections will be 2 lanes. So between the Harborview Bridge and 11 miles, that road, the existing road, is going to be upgraded to 4 lanes. So that's where we are now, and that's the work that you see going on. China Harbor Engineering Company is the main contractor, but they have 10 local subcontractors working with them. And this section of the highway, well, the entire project is to finish by 2025. We're not a political channel, but I guarantee you this highway will be finished and opened before the next general election is called. But as soon as one section is finished, they will allow the public to drive on it. So we actually have videos up of driving on finished sections of the highway. Okay, so here you can see them putting in the Jersey barrier now. There it is on the right. So it will be 2 lanes on either side. That's the Bull Bay police station, and as you can see, it's in the path of the highway, but a new station is being built somewhere around here. If anybody knows where, let us know so that we can make a video of the construction of the police station. But it's somewhere around here, I'm just not sure where. Okay. Now the question is, are we on the right side of the road? Okay, looks so. Now, if you notice, this is the Jersey barrier, but over there they have business places. So somebody was saying, how is it going to work if you want to get on the other side? But they must have exit ramps somewhere. It's a highway, so it's not going to be as simple as just stopping and turning off the road because of these barriers, but you can you probably just have to go make a U-turn, exit, and come back around. Okay, so from the Harborview Bridge to where we are now, the highway is going to run along the existing roadway. However, from this point where we are, you can see a new bridge built. The highway is going to go over the hill. So it's a new alignment between 11 Miles Bull Bay, where we are, to the Suncoast Adventure Park. It's a new alignment, new road basically. It's no longer going to run along the existing roadway. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.